Hello, welcome back to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today I'll show you how to block specific product variants from being sold in certain countries using the Cart Lock app in Shopify. First, you need to identify the product variant ID. Go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the product edit page, and click on the variant you want to block. Now, look at the address bar. At the end of the URL, you'll see the variant ID. Copy this ID. Next, open the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select the Product Variations option. In the Product Variant ID field, paste the variant ID you copied. If you want to block multiple variants, you can separate their IDs with commas. Click Add a New Condition again and select the Shipping Country option. Choose the country where this product variant should not be sold. Make sure to give your rule a name in the Rule Name field so you can easily recognize it later. In the Error Message field, add a custom message like, "Sorry, this product is not available for shipping to your country." Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's test it out. If a customer from the restricted country tries to purchase the blocked variant, they'll see the error message and won't be able to proceed. To test it, we need to fill up the shipping information fields properly. Otherwise, Shopify API won't detect the country. As you can see, I am seeing the error message, so the variant is successfully blocked for that country. That's it. You've successfully blocked product variants for certain countries using the Cart Lock app. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!